Happy New Year, besties! Welcome to 2024. Yes, I'm going to be calling you guys my besties because you guys have been sticking with me through and through these years, and I am so grateful for that. So, from now on, I'm going to be calling you guys my besties. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Also, like this video, it helps YouTube know that I am giving you guys great content. So this 2024, I'm going to be starting a series of swimwear collection or projects. So I'm going to be showing you guys different swimwear pieces that you can make basically. And I am ready to start with this one. This is a bikini top with like strips, ties that you can wear as an halter top, you can wear as a bra. Guys, this is amazing. And guys, it is reversible. You guys know me, I am sustainable, eco-friendly, everything that can be styled in more than one way, bring it my way, and I am so excited for it. So let's just get started. So guys, for this, you're going to be measuring your bust circumference divided by 4, and then you're going to be cutting out 4 pieces of this measurement. Now, to make it reversible, in my own case, I'm using this nude and black for one side, and then the Adire design kind of print, I'm using it for the other side. So guys, you're going to cut out 2 pieces each for each side. So in my case, my bust circumference divided by 4 is 8.5, and I'm going to cut out 8.5 by 8.5 inch square. So guys, here I've cut my 4 pieces. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fold it in a triangle. So just like I'm doing right here, fold it in a triangle, and then I'm going to start measuring 8.5 inches down. So from that tip, I'm just going to be going in a curve-like manner. So you're starting from the slanted side to the other side to get your curve, and then cut it out. So you're going to have a semicircle kind of thing. Now I'm going to use that piece to cut out the remaining pieces, and this is what it's going to look like. Now guys, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a bias tape and we're going to use it to create a strip. So I've taught you guys so many times on this channel, just fold it into 2 just like this and sew it down. So once you've sewn it, you're now going to place your fabric right sides facing. So one fabric for the front and one fabric for the back. So that's what you're taking. You're not taking the same fabric that is side by side. You're taking the corresponding one at the back of each other. And then you're going to place your strap in between your pieces at the top right there. So the strap should be like around 30 inches long for each strap. So that's what I'm using in my case. So I'm going to pin it right there. And then you're going to put everything inside. So make sure everything is inside so that you don't sew on the strap. So you're going to start sewing from the top to about 1 inch from the bottom. Then you're also going to leave a space for the underbust strap. So what you're going to do is when you get to 1 inch before the end of each side, you're going to put a mark right there, just like I've done. And then half an inch after that, put another mark there. So that half-inch space is going to be left when you're done. Then go to the other side, mark it at half an inch, and then half an inch after that. So can you guys see? So that half-inch space is a space you're going to leave for our straps for the underbust. So sew it just like I've done right here, but also still leave that space that you're going to turn your fabric inside out from, because it's always easier to leave a large space on the side for you to turn out your fabric from. So I'm going to repeat the process on the other cup, and this is what it looks like at the end. So turn it inside out, snip the curves guys, always snip every curve that you have, and then you guys can see what it looks like. My strap is out. Now remember that half an inch space that we left, we're going to sew it down at that half-inch side. So sew it at that curve by half an inch, and don't forget to sew your opening closed as well. So sew a half an inch space at that curve right there at the bottom. Repeat for the other piece, and this is what you're going to have in the end. Now guys, I'm going to take a bias tape again, sew it in a strap form, and then I'm going to cut out about 50 inches basically. That's like a safe measurement basically. And you can also get the measurement by measuring your underbust measurements and then adding 20 inches to that measurement. So do you guys get? You can add 20 inches, 30 inches. So that's what I've cut out right here, and I'm going to use my safety pin to put it in from one end to the other to the other end. So can you guys see what I'm doing? Put it in just like this and then put it into the other one just like this. And guys, that's it. We are done. All you need to do is tie it to your back, tie it to your neck, and you're done, guys. That is it. It's that simple. And remember, I said it is reversible. Guys, I'm so excited about this bikini top. Like I said, I'm going to be bringing out more and more amazing swimwear collection that you guys can make and look beautiful in. So this is one of them. I have like 7 more items I'm going to be showing you guys over the next couple of weeks, and I am sure you guys are gonna love it. Please, if you try it out, please tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I would love to share your work with all my amazing growing followers. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please guys, subscribe to the channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.